In today's content, we'll dive into the world of personal pronouns and direct object pronouns in French. During the video, we'll explain the correct use of personal pronouns and direct object pronouns, provide practical examples, and share valuable pronunciation tips. Each sentence will include 3 elements: the sentence in French, the phonetic transcription in English to help you pronounce it correctly in French, and finally the translation.
Now check the list of some personal pronouns. Repeat twice. I. You. He. She. You. They. As you can see, here is a list of some personal pronouns in French, along with their English translations. I didn't include the phonetic transcription because I found it unnecessary, as pronouncing these pronouns in French is quite straightforward. Now let's look at some examples using these pronouns in French with their phonetic transcription in English and their respective translations.
Je parle portugais, je parle portugais. Elle parle français, elle parle français. Elle parle bien anglais, elle parle bien anglais. Je suis étudiant, je suis étudiant. Tu es professeur, tu es professeur. Ils sont amis, ils sont amis.
Direct object pronouns are used to replace the direct object in a sentence, that is, the noun or expression that directly receives the action of the verb, without the need for a preposition. They help avoid repetition, making the sentence more fluid and concise.
Moi. Moi. Toi. Moi. La. Nous. Vous. Les.
Now, let's look at some examples. First, we'll present a simple sentence. Then, we'll rewrite the same sentence using a direct object pronoun.
Je mange la pomme, je mange la pomme. Je la mange, je la mange. Elle écoute la musique, elle écoute la musique. Elle l'écoute, elle l'écoute. Il regarde le film, il regarde le film. Eux ils le regardent, eux ils le regardent. Je vois Marie, je vois Marie. Je la vois, je la vois. Elle va inviter ses amis, elle va inviter ses amis. Elle va les inviter, elle va les inviter.